We have been learning about clocks this year, and we have learned that the numbers on the inside of the clock represent hours. And if the short hand, which is usually the red hand, is pointing to a number or is in between a number, then that is talking about the hour. So in this case, it would be 1 o'clock, somewhere in between 1 and 2 o'clock. But around the outside of the clock, we have these little hash marks, and those represent minutes. Today, we're going to talk about the minutes on the clock. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to count the minutes between the 12 and the 1 on the clock. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This dark hash mark at the 1 stands for 5 minutes. And I'm going to abbreviate minutes with MIN. I'm going to keep going around the clock. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At the 2 o'clock, we've reached 10 minutes. So if this is 10, I'm going to keep counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This dark hash mark at the 3 represents 15 minutes. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is 20 minutes at the 4. Keep going, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. At the 5, we've reached 25 minutes. Here's 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. At the 6, it is 30 minutes. So now 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 is at the 7. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 is at the 8. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now when we reach 12, it has been 1 hour. It's taken 60 minutes, is the same as 1 hour to get all the way around the clock. But we don't usually say, it's 1 and 60 minutes. At that point, it just switches to 2. So at the 12, we commonly write it as 00, 0. We are starting a new hour once our minute hand gets to the 12. So in order to read the time, if I have my hour hand, which I'll make red, in between the 2 and 3, it's not to the 3 yet, but it is after the 2, so it's now 2 o'clock. And let's say my minute hand, which I'll do blue, the minute hand is always longer, and if that's pointing at the 50, then my time is 2 hours and 50 minutes, or 2:50. If I change the time, what time would this be? If you said that the time would be 6:15, you are correct. So whatever the long hand is pointing to, we don't read the inside number. We look at the minutes and what minute that would be. And I can counter on the clock to figure that out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.